All right, and last math video of the day, lesson 3-4, math boxes. Number 1 says fill in the circle next to the pictures that shows 2 plums shared equally by 3 children. Well, each of them have 2 circles, so each has 2 plums, but think 3 children need to share this equally. A, B, C, or D, which one shows that picture? Just one of them. One of them will be the answer. All right, number 2, Dontrell gives his brother 65 cents to buy orange juice. Now his brother has 90 cents. How much money did his brother have to start? Think about it. His brother gave him 65 cents. When you give someone something, was his brother gaining 65 cents or was his brother losing 75 cents? So are we adding 65 cents to his brothers or subtracting 65 cents to his brother? Now his brother has 90. So his brother started with something, then he either added or gained 65, and then his total was 90. Write a number model with a question mark. You may draw a model or a picture to show you, and then your answer with your units. Number 3, arrange 12 stars in an array. You have 12 total. Make an array. Remember, array is even rows. There are the same amount of stars in each row. Very organized. That's what an array is. Then write a multiplication number model that fits your array. What's your number model? So draw the stars. And if you need to know how to draw a star, remember it's start at the right, up, down left, across right, across left, and connect. Draw those in an array. Then a number model. Try to use multiplication. Well, actually, we have to use multiplication. So use the multiplication sign. Okay, if we know we have 12 stars total, where does our total go? Number 4. We're talking about apples picked. I know that because it's the title. This side says number of apples picked. Remember, always check how much we are going up by. What is our scale? I see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's not going up by ones. What is it going up by? What does each line represent? And I know we're talking about Kay, Rod, Sam, and Jan. How many more apples did Sam and Jan pick than Kay and Rod? So it looks like Sam and Jan, you have to add theirs, and then Kay and Rod. But how many more is like saying, what's the difference? And then make sure you put your label. Number 5, our rule is adding 73. That means this arrow tells you to add 73. What does that mean about this arrow? Well, this arrow also tells you to add 73. And so on and so on. Put plus 73 above each arrow so you know what you're doing. You probably will have to do work on this side. It doesn't say no calculator, so if you have a calculator, please use one. Okay. Keep up the great work. Turn this into your teacher when you're completed.